going? Sue here from 1A Auto, and today we have a 2015 Ford F350 with a 6.2 gas engine. I'm going to show you where the power steering fluid is located. Open the hood, and it is mounted right here, driver's side, straight in the front, right behind the radiator. Let's see if it even says power steering. It shows a picture, which is a domestic picture of power steering fluid. And you just take that cap open, and you top it off in there, but you've got your max and min line, and you're going to want to check this with the car off, not running. With it running, the pump will bring this fluid up and circulate. When it shuts off, it settles down to where the true level is, so that's where we're going to leave it at. It says do not overfill, of course, because power steering fluid rises up with the pressure of the pump. Make sure there's no dirt on the cover, put it back in. Check your manual always for power steering fluid type. Some are ATF, which is automatic training fluid, and others are directly full synthetic power steering fluid.
Thanks for watching. Visit 1AAuto.com, your place for DIY auto repairs, for great parts, great service, and more content.